Hey guys, my name is Yash and welcome to our channel Gossipfunda. Today I'm going to make a video on how to fix lagging in any app. The main reason for lagging in your app are your RAM is about to full or you have low phone storage. To check your phone storage, you just have to go to the setting like this and search for storage. Currently, I'm using my Redmi Note 10s, which already have 6 GB RAM and 128 GB phone storage. So I don't have to see much of these issue in my device. But if you are facing these problem, then these are some few steps that you can use to resolve your problem. Like you have to go to the cleaner or clean cache that is already pre-installed your device. I already have pre-installed cleaner in my device. As you can see, there is a cleaner in my device. I just click on it, and my device is already optimized. As you already see, there is nothing to clean from my phone. The my device is already optimized. If you don't have cleaner pre-installed, you can just go to the Play Store to download a phone cleaner for yourself. Just type, go to the Play Store and type on phone cleaner, and you can search phone cleaner here. I have already installed it, so let me open it. Sometimes you might see some ads on it, just skip them. There's all like 5 or 4 seconds, just like this true caller ad. After opening the app, you may get a notification to clean or phone boost junk files app manager. Just click on clean. So after loading for few minutes, the app will automatically show you the file or the waste chunk files that you want to clean. After performing these steps, if you're still facing the lag in your app, then you must delete the app as they have high chances that the app is not installed well. So just delete the app and reinstall it in your device. They might have chances that the lag will get reduced or go away and your app will work smoothly afterwards. Thank you for the video. Please subscribe, like, and share to our channel. Thank you.